How to sign up for Amazon affiliate program and get approved in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can sign up for Amazon affiliate program and also get approved in step-by-step format. So Amazon affiliate is best for YouTube creators, bloggers, TikTokers, or anyone who wants to earn with affiliate marketing. And the Amazon affiliate program, also known as Amazon Associates, is one of the easiest way to earn passive income online. You promote products sold on Amazon using custom affiliate links, and when someone makes a purchase through your link, you get a commission. It's free to join, easy to use, great for beginners, and you can promote products on blogs, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, and more. So let's walk through the full sign up process. So first of all, you have to open your web browser, and on a new tab you have to go to affiliate program.amazon.com and click on enter, and it will take you to the Amazon Associates official web page, and you have to click on sign up or join now for free. And sign, or you can also sign in using your existing Amazon account or create one if needed. So now fill out the registration form, email address. With that email address, create your Amazon account. So let's give my Amazon account here. Okay. Let's give a password. And create your Amazon account. So no thanks, and solve this puzzle to protect your account. Choose all the chairs. Let's click on the chairs and confirm. It's successful. So you have to enter the security code which is sent to your mail account you have just signed up with. So verify your Amazon account and copy the code and paste it here. Copy the code and paste it here and click on verify. So now you have to add a mobile number for uh, sign up, and now you have to give a mobile number here. So after providing the mobile number, you will be uh, connected to your a registration form that will want account information like your name, your phone number, your address, and website or mobile app list. You have to add your platform. You can enter a blog or website, your YouTube channel URL. You can also add TikTok profile, Instagram page. You don't need a full website, but your content must be public and have some audience. And you can also create a custom ID like my tech Jills hash 20 and describe your website or content. You have to select categories like tech or home or fashion, etc. You can also choose your traffic methods like is it from search, social, or SEO, and click finish, and your account will be created. So let's talk about how you can create affiliate links. So once your account is created, you have to go to amazon.com and make sure you're logged into your Amazon account. And after that, at the top you will see Amazon Associates site strip like here, and bar. You can browse any product, and like a product like this one, you can just select this product and click on get link and text or image or short link. You should copy your custom link and paste it to in your YouTube descriptions, blog post, Instagram bios, Pinterest pins, TikTok comments, or wherever you want to. And if someone clicks your link and buys anything on Amazon with 24 hours, you will get paid. So let me tell you how you can get approved, and it is the most important part of this video. So Amazon gives you 180 days, that means 6 months, to make at least 3 qualifying sales to get full approval. To improve your chances, you should post useful content like reviews, comparisons, top 10s, how to guides. Use high traffic platforms like YouTube videos, Pinterest pins, blog posts, and don't spam links. Add value. Your website or socials should have original content. Make sure your account details match your platform name or info. Once you get 3 sales, Amazon will review your content and either approve or reject you. So let's now talk about commissions and earnings. So Amazon pays different rates depending on category. Like luxury beauty, they give 10% of commission. On furniture and home, they give 8%, and on fashion, they give 4 to 5%, and on electronics, they give 3%, and on video games, they provide 1 to 2% commission. You get paid every month via direct deposit, Amazon gift card, or check. Once you reach the minimum threshold, usually $10 to $100 depending on method. Even if someone doesn't buy the product you linked, you will still earn commission if they buy anything else in the same session. And let me tell you some best practices for Amazon affiliates. Always disclose that your links are affiliate links. This is required by law. Like as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. Use link shorteners or button to make links look clean. Post comparison tables or buyer guides. Use tools like Canva for promo images. You can use Bitly or Prettylinks to track clicks. You can use Google Search Console to track blog traffic. You can stay updated with Amazon's affiliate policies to avoid bans. And let me give you some bonus tips to succeed as a beginner. So target niche audiences like best budget home, office gadgets. You can use to rank your blog post or YouTube videos. You can create review videos or unboxings with your affiliate links. You can pin affiliate links in your YouTube comments or Pinterest boards. You can consider using free tools like ChatGPT to generate product descriptions, scripts, or comparisons. So, and that's it. Now you know how to sign up for Amazon Associates, get approved first, create and promote affiliate links, start earning commissions in 2025. If you apply consistently and create helpful content, the Amazon affiliate program can be a great passive income stream. So that's it for today's video. That's how you sign up to Amazon affiliate program and get approved. So I think this video helped, and make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and you'll get to learn more things about e-commerce and Amazon and everything on this channel. Make sure to subscribe, and see you on the next video.